Commercial Plumber Raleigh, North Carolina. Emergency Plumber Raleigh has actually been pleased to be a leading business plumbing technician. Raleigh companies are available in all sizes and shapes to have actually trusted us for years for all their pipe solutions, home heating, as well as air demands, as well as you can also, from basic to intricate repair services, preventative upkeep, and also new installments. We are the Raleigh as well as the Triangle business plumbing technician you can depend on. With a solid knowledge in leakages, interruptions, drains, pipes, drains, cellular lining, hot water heater, and also HVAC systems, our group has you covered. When you call us, we'll send you a very educated emergency plumber, industrial plumbing, or HVAC specialist that has actually the experience required to service your residential property. With 24/7 solution, economical prices, and also a 1-year service warranty on components as well as labor, nobody defeats Emergency Plumber Raleigh Industrial Solutions. Required business plumbing? Raleigh or the area? Please provide us a telephone call at 919-752-3024. We'll finish the job and also have your company back and also running fresh in a snap. Areas of serving: Class A buildings, hotels, restaurants, churches, retail shopping centers, schools and universities, apartments, condos and townhomes, hospitals and medical centers, government buildings. With 24/7 solution, economical rates, and also a 1-year guarantee on parts and labor, no one defeats Emergency Plumber Raleigh Business Pipe Services. Required industrial plumbing? Raleigh citizens, please give us a call 919-752-3024. We'll do the job as well as have your organization back and running fresh in no time.